Welcome to the CompTIA Network Plus review question guide. Here we're looking at, again, exam number N10-006, questions 11 through 15. Question 1. For large networks, make sure to understand what a MAN is, a WAN, and a CAN. So a CAN is going to be like a campus area network. A WAN is going to be a larger geographical area, and a MAN is going to be like city-wide. So if we're trying to connect multiple buildings throughout a city, a MAN. If we're trying to connect multiple buildings throughout a state, that's going to be a WAN. If we're talking multiple buildings throughout a campus, that's going to be a CAN. Understand the different types of backups. A full backup, everything is backed up. It requires the most space. However, recovery is really simple because you recover everything. Incremental will, after a full update, it clears all the backup bits. An incremental will go whatever changed since the last full backup. And so let's say we do a full backup on Sunday. On Monday we do an incremental. It clears those bits. So on Tuesday, anything that's changed since Monday, it will back up. On Wednesday, anything that's changed since Wednesday will be backed up. So this requires the least amount of space. But recovery means you've got to recover the last full backup, then Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday. So recovery is a little bit longer. Where with differential does not clear the backup bits. So let's say again, on Sunday we do a backup, full backup. On Monday we back up everything since the last full backup. So that's just Monday. On Tuesday we do a differential, and so we do back up everything that hasn't been, or that was changed since the last full backup. So that would be all of Monday and all of Tuesday. On Wednesday we do a differential backup. So on Wednesday we will back up again Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Differential does take more time and more space. However, recovery is a lot faster. Let's say a failure happens Thursday. To recover, all we have to do is the last full backup and then Wednesday's differential backup. Keep in mind, if we do incremental, we have to recover from the backups that ran on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we have to recover the full backup plus 3, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Where at differential, we only have to back up full and then the last differential. So there are differences. Pros and cons for both, depending on space and recovery time, and it's kind of based off the organization. So when you're setting up a new device, make sure with management ports, we have things like the appropriate address, the default gateway, the appropriate subnet, the appropriate speed and duplex settings. Even though speed and duplex are normally on auto, so that's not really that big of a deal, but proper addressing and gateway information is crucial. What is the difference between stateful and stateless firewalls? So stateless firewalls watch the network traffic and restrict or block packets based off source and destination addresses or other values. They're not aware of traffic patterns or data flow. A stateless firewall uses simple rule sets that don't account for the possibilities that a packet might be received by the firewall pretending to be something you ask for. That's stateless. Stateful firewalls watch traffic streams, so they are aware of the communication, paths, and the implementation of various functionality, such as tunneling and encryption. Stateful actually allows us to watch what's on the network. So is it originating from the inside? And if it is originating, we can allow it. Throttling is the ability to, once you hit a threshold, to limit how much bandwidth you use. Normally on like a cell phone or data plan, after you use X amount of data for your cell phone, they may throttle, they may slow it down, so you can't keep using all the high speed depending on what cell phone provider you have. You can do this with ISPs as well. I have Cox, for example, and Cox will throttle your internet if they catch you doing anything illegal. Like if you run a torrent program and you download something illegal, they will throttle your internets. Alright, that's these 5 questions. If you've got any questions or concerns, please reach out. I'll try to get them answered as soon as I can. Thank you.